Kristin with Trafera. I'm one of the teaching and learning consultants, and today I am going to show you Cami in our What's Up Wednesday. So first and foremost, Cami is a tool that is widely used. I know that I use it in the classroom and kids can use it. So while I'm showing you these features, I want you to think about using it as a teacher and even showing our kids how to use them so that they can use it for some of their assignments. So I'm just going to go to Cami. You can download the extension if you prefer. I already have logged in 100 times, so I'm just going to my saved credentials, and I'm going to open up a document that I've already created. And I did this with the sole purpose of being able to show you quickly in just a little snippet of these favorite features of mine. So the first thing I want to highlight, let me say this. These are paid features, but I know a lot of districts have those, so keep that in mind when you're looking for them. So the first one is dictionary. So if I were to click on dictionary and I have a text, whether it be a word isolated or large text, like if I've dropped some kind of article in an assignment for my kids, all I have to do is click the word because I'm on dictionary and I have all of those variations of the meaning. I even can hit the sound and hear it read to me. Like I said, you don't have to be isolated. It can be in text. So this is great for kids that you can make them be independent with a lot in using this dictionary tool. The other features I love are all these comment options. So as a teacher, we live in the world of feedback, right? We're trying to get our students to be self-driven learners who can reflect, but they need our feedback because we're the experts and we're trying to help them get where they need to just become successful in all of the things that we're delivering to them. So comments are very valuable. So what I love about this is everybody uses the text comment. Like I think in Google Docs, you can drop a comment easily. But with this, we have voice comments, and this is no extra extension. This is all built in. Voice comment, video, or screen capture. So what I love about these is it considers the students who may feel like they're left out because you didn't have a chance to work with them one-on-one because you have such a large class, or just kids who are auditory learners or visual learners. So you're kind of hitting lots of different things there and, changing the pace of them just reading and reading content. Like if they read the content and how to do it and they still did something wrong, maybe they need to see it. So here is just an example of how I did that. This is my text comments. Here is an audio comment, and you can see that it gives how long it is. So it's super easy. I'll play it briefly. I don't want to hear myself too much.
I love this tool so much.
Okay, that was enough. All right, so you can see that you can drop what you want to your kids. You also have the video tool, which is cool. They like to see our faces, and it gives them that one-on-one time. Additionally, you have this screen capture. Okay, y'all, this was cool to me because I thought screen capture was a click, like, okay, done. No, it's actually like a screen cast. So let's just say I'm working with my kids and we created a model and they did their work and it's nothing like the model. So I just need to refer them back to it. I could just go to comment screen capture and it's going to start recording my screen, and I can go to it and it not only captures my screen, it captures the audio so the kids can see and hear what they need. I love screen capture. All right, the last thing I want to show you is, I want to move this out the way. I keep clicking on it. Is the media, okay? So media comes in the form of, I can get things from my computer, from my camera. I can't show you that one because I'm using my camera. You can sign into your Google Drive or link your Google Drive or your OneDrive. You can do an image search, which you can see right here. I did an image search earlier. I've been infatuated with these quackos. They're fascinating. I can go to YouTube, which is what I did here, and you can drop something in there. It plays directly there. So that's super easy. I don't need to show you, but I just feel like maybe you need to see another picture of a quokka. And you can see the spelling so you can look it up yourself. So our quokka's right here. Look how cute it is. And I could just drop him on in there. Which one do I like? I think I already have him. So let's put him. Super easy to drop it. And I think about like students. So students work, they can do this kind of add-on. Another thing are these graphic organizers. All of these are ready. How many hours have you spent creating these? They are ready to go, ready to go. So those are some of my favorite things that I have used with Cami or seen added to Cami lately. Definitely see lots of value in it. So I hope that this helped you see some things you hadn't had time to get to play around with. And anyway, happy Camiing if that's a thing.